Hello everybody, it's Sherry on location with Create Whatever. Wow, even the dog doesn't want to be out here. Oh my goodness, we have got a storm going here in St. Thomas today. I can't even find my boots. It is cold, but we're gonna have a white Christmas, yay! I'm just gonna turn it around so you can see what's happening. I'm in my backyard. Oh, let's go inside. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Oh my goodness, what's this doing outside? Oh, it's round. Oh, what is it? Just rip it. Oh my goodness, it's something. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to take it inside. See you there in the junk room. Oh, I'm back inside. Oh, that was cold. Oh, that was cold outside. My hand still hurts, and that was the fastest on location I've ever done. It is a blustery storm out there today. I'm not going anywhere. I'm hunkering down in the junk room. But what was behind number 23? It's actually a pin. Gonna grab a cup of tea, warm my hand. We only have 2 more to open. Ephemerember, your daily ephemera inspiration in December, brought to you by Barbara at 49 Dragonflies and Luise Hansel. We are getting close to being done. Oh, the 23rd. Flower and paper doll. I haven't really taken to the paper dolls. I'm thinking of the Tim Holtz paper dolls. I don't really like them. So I'll have to think about what I'll do for the paper doll. Maybe the answer is in the animal that we're working with today, which is the monkey. Yep, I think he's going to be the paper doll. I can work with that. I've gotten some things on my desk. Well, I got a whole lot on my desk. My desk is a mess. I got this stamp recently, and I don't know what it is about this bird that I really, really like. I have named him Sticks, and I wanted to use him with the monkey today. Barbara at 49 Dragonflies gave us a freebie to use, and I've cut out the flowers that she drew, and I've inked them with my Jumbo Java. I wanted to use those. I've cut out the monkey. I've got some butterflies here because there's a little bit of a story going on that's developing. This is a paper bag. Love the sound. I want to use it in my junk journal. I'm going to use it this way because I'm going to have another one that's going to be the other page, and I'm going to sew them in. But right now, I just am working with this one. The first thing I think I want to do is I need some sky up here and then some green down here to represent the sky and the grass. I don't know what this is going to look like. I'm a little apprehensive because my two blues that I have are very dark. But if I want to lighten it up, I just need some white. This color here was this liquid. Let's see what that looks like just by itself. I don't know if this will work or not. I just want to get some color to represent the sky. And I'm kind of liking this blue for the sky. I think that will work just fine. Probably should have something behind this. In case I go off, which I'm going to. I'm going to cut this part off so I don't need the paint to go up there. Oh, I think there's still a little bit left in here that I could probably bring into the sky. That, I think, works a little bit. Green. So I found two greens. This is pale green, and this is, looks like a darker green. Oh, says that on the back? Nope, a light green and a pale green. Let's see what those look like. It's pretty close to the grass color. I was like, how did I get blue in there? But there's a little bit of blue. I want to move this a little bit. Let's move this around. I'm going to dry this and I'll be back. So that's what it looks like dry. I think I'm going to do some more down here with the green, but let's try this one. This is a darker one. Dry this and I'll be back. That's what it looks like now. I thought I'd like some maybe white clouds. Fluffy clouds. Put the paint aside. And my brushes. Look at all the brushes. I have stamped it on the cardstock. This is the Stays On ink that I tried. I do not know what I'm doing wrong. It was a brand new pad of Stays On Black, and it just will not stamp nicely. And I even used a little piece of the foam and like nothing. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. The only other black that I have is an old Stampin' Up pad, basic black. So I've stamped sticks and the tree. So they both need to be cut out. I'll be back. I've painted sticks, but he wants more sparkles. He wants to really, really sparkle. Who doesn't like to sparkle? He asked me for more sparkles. So let's get them all sparkled up here. I used a lot of my sparkle up. That is not sparkles. I think that's pearl. Liquid pearls, not sparkles. Can I take some of that off? Better stop there. I'm starting to get it mixed in with the yellow. But there, he's got a little bit more sparkles. He's going to dry. Now, our poor monkey. Him and Sticks are the best of friends. Unlikely to happen in real life. But we're not in real life. We are, what's that button say from this morning? We are creating, which takes courage. I'm just inking him up so you don't see the white cardstock. He wants to be able to fly like Sticks. So let's give him some butterfly wings. I'm auditioning these 5. Let's see which one looks the best. So we have this one. Whoops. So there's this one. There is this one. There is this one, which I can tell you right now is a definite no. It's too small. There's this one. And there's this one. And I don't think he likes that. Oh, yes, sorry. His name is Stanley. Stanley and Sticks. They met somewhere. Now, I do like the size of this one, but the wings blend a lot into the grass. But I do like that one. This one pops. Very dramatic there. And this one has a little bit more color. I don't know. Back to this one. I'm not really feeling that one. We're down to 3. Is the tree dry? Bring the tree back. Maybe that will also help us. So the tree's gonna go there. He's going to be hanging from the tree, most likely there. So if he's there, that's one. He's hanging. That's two. He's hanging. That gives it the most pop. But I keep coming back to this one. I wonder what it would look like if I put sparkles and made it nice and sparkly. He's got to dry. I would like this to kind of come out. I'm just gonna, just a little sliver that the tree can look like it's growing out. Oh, a little bit more. There. Glue it down. Anybody see the glue? Oh, it's right here the whole time. I want to make sure these are glued down. Good. Not glued dry, so I'm not too worried about that. Just want to make sure it's down. Our monkey's going there. And then our bird, who's still drying, sticks, his sparkles are still drying. He's tired of flying. He just wants to walk through the flowers and take time to smell the flowers. Nope, I'm good with that. And oh yes, he also, Sticks also just loves flowers. So perhaps we shall give him a flower for his, right there. He can wear a flower. That's going to be lovely after he's dry. He picked it from amongst the flowers. Sometimes in this busyness of life, you just have to stop and smell the flowers and slow down a little. Dab this, and we're going to put it right there. That one blends too much, so take that one out. I'm going to glue the flowers down. And I'll be back. I tried the sparkles, glue this on. We could even put them up higher. Hook them in there. Could do that. Maybe he's not too sure about this flying. And we're pretty dry there, so we can put sticks in amongst the flowers. Yeah, I think I need another flower. And we can add some more flowers. Oh, here's some nice purpley ones. Let's glue the bird sticks down. They're going on another adventure. Oh, and we need something up there. Around the base of the tree, there's some flowers. Oh, maybe one more. Glue Stanley down. Oh, remember what came with that tree? Leaves. Do I have any green ink? Oh, I've had these stamps like forever in my stash. Will it show up? I don't even know if the ink is still good. Let's just check it out. Oh, yeah. But will it show up here? I don't know. Let's see. Barely. If you look closely, you can see it. Did I get a... Oh, missed a branch. Oh, this is cool. I like this. Can you see it? But I noticed there's a couple of spots where my wings didn't get glue. There. I gotta make sure this is down. Oh my goodness. Look at the sparkles. Now we can cut this off and then we will get a really good sense of what it looks like. just a couple of spots here. What is this? Metallic gold. Ooh, whoa, put that. Because there's some dots on these flowers. Let's make these sparkly too. A little bit of gold. Whoops, a lot of gold. Styx and Stanley are great friends. They love going on adventures together. But on this particular day, Styx was tired of flying. He didn't want to fly anymore. He wanted to walk amongst the flowers, to slow down, to think about all the good things in his life and everything he's grateful for, including Stanley. Stanley, he was tired of swinging and he wanted to fly. He wanted to take flight and soar and to see what that was like. But he's not quite ready because he's still hanging on to the tree branch. And he's still got his feet on the ground. Will he take flight? Will he experience the freedom that comes with flying so high up above the clouds? I don't know. Maybe someday we'll find out. See you back here tomorrow. Bye, everybody.